everyone, it's Adele from REEP, and this week we're celebrating Shakespeare's birthday. So today we're going to be doing a Shakespeare themed activity. We're going to make the Globe Theatre from London, and this is going to be our end result. Let's get going. So for this activity, you'll need to get yourselves a pair of scissors, a glue stick, a choice of coloured pens, pencils or paints, and then a printed copy of page 2 and 3 of the worksheet. So to start with, you want to take your 2 printed copies of the worksheet and you want to really carefully cut around the edges so you've got a nice template. So you're left with these. Now you need to get your glue stick and stick the insides of the 2 templates together so they're both facing outwards. Now it's time to add some colour, so choose what materials you're going to use. I'm using pens and pencils, but you can use paints if you like, just remember that they'll take a bit longer to dry. Okay, so I finished all my drawings now. The outside, we've got the thatched roof up here, and I've also coloured in the wooden beams with dark marker pen to make them stand out. And on the inside, I've drawn all the audience in the boxes here. We've got the royal box up the top, which is why they're wearing more vibrant clothing, because they would have been more important than the people standing at the bottom. And also notice I've done a Romeo and Juliet play being acted on stage with Juliet in her balcony. You need your glue again and you need your finished design. What you need to make sure of is that the inside bit, so where your audience and where the stage are, is facing inwards, and you're going to turn it round like that, curve it, and you're going to overlap by about 1 centimetre here. And what you want to do is you want to glue this bit here and stick that together like that. You want to make sure that everything lines up, so do it nice and carefully. So I'm going to do mine now. Once you've finished, let the glue dry a little bit, make sure it's nice and stuck down. And then you're going to have your Globe Theatre like that. And then if you look inside, you can see your audience watching the performance. And there. And it's that simple. Thanks for watching everyone, I hope you enjoyed this activity. Make sure to upload your designs onto Facebook and Instagram and tag REEP so that we can see what you've been doing.